Throughout history, there has been incredible technological advancement made towards helping those who are differently abled or who are impaired in some way. These advancements were made to help them participate in everyday life and work, amongst other things. With all this attention being poured towards helping the impaired populace work, we believed it was important that they could relax and enjoy themselves as others do. Our goal was allowing everyone the same chance of immersion into a different reality from home. Some do this through reading or meditation, but over 50% of all children and adults do this through video games. Therefore, we decided to focus on designing a controller that would allow anyone to play anything. Duchenne muscle dystrophy is an impairment wherein muscle degeneration over time is prominent in the arms and upper body. This would mean that over time, the loss of strength in the hands and fingers would be inevitable. Therefore, for holding a mouse, controller, or even typing on a keyboard will seem like a stretch, and those with this impairment would lose their ability to connect to the virtual world. Through vigorous research and on-hands testing from someone suffering from the impairment, we were able to find a shape and hand position that would work for all. This controller has 8 buttons, which each have a button cap for comfort. This design could be kept with minor adaptation, such as making the controller a bit shorter because the attachments of these buttons proved to be a lot easier. This controller also has 2 joysticks that require minimal movement. All of the buttons and joysticks are placed in such a way that the user would not have to move his fingers to use them. With this controller built and tested, anything with a USB port could have this connected and used. The joysticks allow for 2 separate dual-axis movement input from both hands. This allows the controller to be used to play even the most complex games. And now, even those who can only make the slightest movements with their fingers can enjoy the same games as the rest of us.